Hey there. Welcome to your opportunity pipeline, aka your deal making HQ and close. I'm Emily, and I'm going to show you how this page helps you track, manage, and close more deals faster, now with intelligent prioritization built right in. First things first, here is a look at your opportunity pipeline. You can create multiple pipelines to match your unique sales process. Think one for new business, another for renewals, whatever fits your flow. You can see that it's customized by each deal stage that fits your specific sales process. So in this example, we have different opportunity stages depending on this unique sales process. We have demo complete, proposal sent, contract sent, and then won loss stages. You can look at each opportunity and each stage visually. You can filter by specific smart views or users who are assigned to specific deals. You can filter based on lead statuses or show or hide different values, including annualized value, minimize them, or show more details. To update your deals, you have a few options. You can drag and drop them into new stages. You can drag them down to the left to mark them as won, or drag them down to the right to mark them as lost. You can also edit here with the pencil icon, updating estimated close date, value, who your assigned rep is, any notes you want to take here. Anything and everything about this deal that will help your team close can be stored right inside the opportunity card. Now let's talk about our pipeline guidance feature. If you've ever been stuck on what you need to focus on for that specific day, this feature helps you target the deals that are ready to close today or need immediate attention. All you have to do is toggle on the needs attention toggle right at the top of the pipeline screen, and it's going to focus on which deals need your attention today and even give you suggested actions right on the card. For example, this card shows you that this opportunity has been inactive for an extended period of time and even gives you a recommended next action that you can either dismiss or click right here and it'll make that call for you. Over here, you'll see that the recommended next step action is to change the status because this opportunity has been stuck in the demo completed stage for longer than usual. We look at all your activity in your pipeline and on your deals to recommend your next appropriate action. So if your deals on average stay in the demo completed for a specific period of time, and we can make recommended actions right here on the card based on your specific needs. What's even better, down here, we have an opportunity that recommends an email follow-up after the contract sent stage because a buyer has expressed urgency to activate by a specific deadline. All you have to do is click the follow-up button and it'll even draft an email message for you to send to that specific contact right here in Close. Feel free to edit it, add specific details if you need to, send it or schedule it, and your deal is further down the pipeline, getting ready to close right inside your CRM. And if you want to look at your pipeline without the deals that need immediate attention, it's super simple to turn off. Just toggle off the needs attention feature here. Now I want to show you one more view in your opportunity pipeline, and that's your list view. This is something that particularly sales managers find extremely beneficial because it gives you things at a very high level. What's moving through your pipeline, what the values are, what confidence ratings are. It's a very low lift report that's great at a glance. You can even export it if you want it outside of Close into a CSV file or JSON file, and you can even group by week, month, or quarter and sort by close date. Again, this is something sales managers find incredibly useful to get a high-level view of what's closing and what's stalled so they can take action week over week, month over month, quarter over quarter, depending on how you report out. Your opportunity pipeline is more than a visual. It's a powerful workspace to help you prioritize, take action, and close faster. No more guesswork, no more stale deals, just clear direction and forward action. If you have questions, our support team is ready and able to answer them so you can get unstuck immediately so you can keep closing deals as fast as possible. Just head to the upper right hand corner and Close, hit the question mark, and you can contact our support team at any time. Happy closing!